Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you if Instagram liquid glass update is still not showing on your iPhone, how to fix it. So first of all, you should be sure that you have at least iOS 26, and to know that you have to go to settings, and after that go to general, and after that go to software update, and after that wait a little bit until your phone will tell you what is the version of iOS that you are running on your phone. So actually in 2026 we will have the iOS 27, but you have to have at least iOS 26 because the liquid glass option was added on iOS like 26. So as you can see here, when I enter to about, as you can see, I have like the iOS 27 running on my phone. So if you still not or still didn't update your phone to iOS 26, you have just to update it, and like this will add the liquid glass option to your phone. The second thing is to update Instagram also. Go to the App Store and look for Instagram and check if like Instagram need any update. So for example, mine is up to date. And also you have to restart Instagram and restart your phone, and to do it you have just to close like Instagram like this and restart your phone. Leave it for 1 or 2 minutes opens, because this can refresh like cached interface components after an app or iOS is updated. Another thing that you can do is to delete Instagram completely, remove the app and install it again. Also, this can help. And also the last thing that you can do is to wait a little bit, because sometimes new designs like this liquid glass for the international users. So Instagram started giving this update to country by country, but be sure that in few days or maximum few weeks you will have this update on your phone, and you will have this liquid glass interface on Instagram. I hope that you like this video, and I hope that this video was useful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.